Okay, so I'm here to do an unboxing. These are toe spreaders that I got on Amazon. They're made by Vizigo. They're the most popular toe spreaders at the moment. It was kind of cool because I noticed that for just a couple dollars more, they offered two pairs instead of one. So that was kind of neat. The single pair is the most popular, but you can just pay a few dollars more and get two pairs. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you here. I've been using the Joya toe spreaders for many years, about 8 years, and totally love them, wear them very regularly, and just wanted to give these a try. Many years ago, I went to the dollar store and bought some kind of cheap dollar, $2, maybe $3 toe spreaders, and they were nothing like the Joya ones. They were really clunky and you could not use them. You couldn't use them to do yoga. They were really meant for polishing your nails, for letting them dry and not being smooshed together. These are really great for helping to mobilize your feet to spread wide. So toe splay, talking a lot about this as a yoga person, getting the feet to work and move and have the same or some of the same mobility that you'd have with the hands. Really important. Sometimes we call the shoes sensory deprivation chambers. So let's take a look at these and see what we got. So the Vizigo toe spreaders. They're a medical grade gel. I think that means they're latex free. So there's 2 packs like this. And it looks like there's some instructions on the inside. They come with a no question asked money back guarantee, and it says there's a Amazon $10 gift card. I'm not sure how that works. Oh, reviews are important. $10 gift card. Hey, that's cool. Check this out. So that almost pays for the toe spreaders. So maybe 5-star review. So hopefully I like them. And otherwise, if I don't, I can return them. There's some basic instructions. Hand wash in cold water with some soap, air dry. I used to sometimes take my Joya toe spreaders into the shower. Now, when you first start using these, it'll probably be a very short period that you can tolerate them. Just getting the toes to separate if they're used to being smooshed together, particularly if you got bunions and the big toes really smooshed in. But these are great for that, as is doing work on ankle mobility and working up the kinetic chain. So I'm going to put these on, back up a little so you can see my feet, or I'll lift it up here. Here we go. I'm not sure which way they go. It looks like you might be able to do them in multiple ways. So it's quite thin between the spacers. It feels quite nice actually. Very different design from the Joya toe spreaders, which just come under the feet, under the toes. And they feel really comfortable. So that's from the sole side. And then I'll show you from the other side. Put them in both feet. And so the Foot Collective, which is a great site for foot health, they sell very similar ones, and they recommend with these to first use them just statically, so maybe while you're watching TV, Netflix, or studying, and then gradually to work into moving and getting the feet to use them like if you were doing a yoga practice or whatnot. They're not generally so comfortable within shoes. You'd need wider shoes to work with these, but let me give them a go. I'll crawl. I'll low walk so you can still see my head. But yeah, they feel really nice. So all in all, I'm a big fan of the Visigo toe spreaders, and if you don't already have a pair of toe spreaders, you could certainly do worse than these. So do yourself a favor and a friend and get the 2 pairs rather than the 1 if you're getting some toe spreaders on Amazon. So 1, 2, thumbs up. Thank you.